Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ijoma Mado, a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland, and today I'll be taking you on a drive through the busiest street in Switzerland, or maybe you can equally call it the most visited street in Switzerland. And yes, it also serves as the most expensive luxury retail street in Europe. It was ranked the third highest in the world after the one in New York and in Hong Kong. And yes, today so we'll see what it looks like after the lockdown. It is said that it is the most visited street, the busiest street in Switzerland. So let's see how busy it is. I hope you enjoy this video. Come with me along for the ride. Let's get started. So this street is called the Bahnhofstrasse, which means the railway station street. It is directly opposite the main train station in Zurich, which is the Bahnhof, Zurich Hauptbahnhof, that is Zurich main station. And yes, as you can see, it's mainly pedestrian, meaning that you hardly see cars don't drive along this road. But it has a very good tram network, more than I think about 4 trams or more than that usually plow the street. And yes, it is home to many retail shops, both the luxury, the high streets and the basic ones. As you can see, some of the shops around here include the most expensive, the expensive ones: Hermes, Bulgari, Cartier, Chanel, many of them. Then among the high street brands you can see along this road include H&M, Zara, Mango, and all others. Even the shops that are not along this road are directly either opposite it or probably on a street very close or a street connected to this particular road. And yes, once you visit Switzerland, you can always I think if you want to go shopping, this is one of the first places people will direct you to, as you can see. So yeah, so today it's not really occupied, and yeah, there's a Burberry shop, as you can see. There's Hublot, Prada is also somewhere very close around. Like, the streets are virtually empty to an extent, because before, especially during the summertime, it's usually filled with people from all over the world, people who came here to get an exchange for their money, hard cash. So yeah, and by the way, I'm in a tram, so most of these videos, most of the pictures you'll be seeing here are on a particular side of the road. So now we are close to the almighty Louis Vuitton, and now you can see people are here, and I think because of the pandemic they had to queue outside because they wouldn't let everybody in at the same time, and also for security purposes, I think. And yes, along the street is also another popular place called the Paradeplatz. It is an important tram junction. It is very close to the Zurich Lake, and it is also home to the headquarters of the biggest banks of Switzerland, UBS and Credit Suisse. Yeah, enjoy the beauty and serene and peaceful streets or beautiful city of Zurich, Switzerland. And it's also interesting to know that it is not just about Zurich, but all the streets in Switzerland are usually kept clean. Like Switzerland is a very, very clean country. You can bet on that, okay? And now we are currently at the Seal City Shopping Center. It is a very massive place, and the good thing is that it caters for all ages, the young from the oldest to the youngest. There is a toy zoo for children, little children to play. There are cinemas, children cinemas to adult cinemas, fitness center, everything you can ever, beauty shops, electronics, restaurants, cafes, anything you can think of. It has everything. And now we are on the highway. Enjoy the beautiful world of nature around us, the beautiful sky, the vegetation, the serenity, the peacefulness, and what have you not. Yeah, can you see how we transitioned from the highway and now we are approaching residential areas? And can you equally see the beauty of Switzerland from this video? So in case you're still thinking about that vacation, you're still thinking about that visit, at this point you should stop thinking. Go purchase that ticket, pack your bags, get ready, but bear in mind you've got to spend some cash, okay? And once again, we're back to the world of nature or highway. And Nokmal, again, Nokmal is chairman. So Nokmal, we are back to residential area. By the way, I hope you're enjoying this video. Please, at this point, hit that like button. Smash the like button, comment, And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I will really appreciate it. Please, okay? And the fun continues. I hope you're having a great time. Hopefully this video is going up on Easter Sunday, so at this juncture I am saying happy Easter to you and your family. Do have a great Easter celebration. Christ is risen. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I remain your loyal girl, Oriaku Ijoma Madu, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.